Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you some projects that I made using the dies from Inlovearts, and I'm going to put the links in the description box if you are interested in any of them. For example, this one is a set, and it's a set because it has many parts. This is the first one, then right here a second one, third and fourth. See, so you have to separate them in order to make something with layers with different colors. And here is my sample. Can you see? So beautiful. This card is 5.5 by 5.5, and I just put one layer for the background, and then on white cardstock I cut this one, which is this one right here. Can you see? And I put the first right here, then this pink one right here is this one. See, I just cut with this one the pink paper, and that will be like the background for the other ones. And then for these ones right here, I cut this one right here, and it will cut just the edge, but if you put this one in the center like this, you can have this border. See, so it's up to you if you want to use it just all this part in white, or if you want to use it like this. So you need these two to cut this one right here, and in the center it will cut the square, and use a sentiment in the middle, and that's it. It's super gorgeous. The next die is this one. It's like a cell phone. Can you see right here? This one is embossed, and it just cut all around. And this one is like a frame that you can cut in another piece of paper and embellish the center. See, it comes these two, and I made a card using that one, and it's this one right here. I use gold poster board paper, and look, this is how it looks. See the details that are embossed, and then I cut a piece of paper and I just stamp happy birthday, and I just put sequences, and then right here a ribbon and some little flowers. The next die is this one. Look how beautiful. It has so many details, and look at in a card. It's super gorgeous. Look. And for this one I just glue in the center so you can see all this one like a big doily. And right here I just put thank you, because I always use cards with thank you and happy birthday, and I like to have them ready. And there is 2 layers only. I put this one that matches the word, and this pink one. I love white and pink for all my cards for my girlfriends, so this is lovely. The next set of dies is this one right here that has this one. See, it looks like lace. Look at this beautiful one, and this one. This one cuts the circle in the center. This one doesn't. Now I'm going to show you this one. Look, what a beautiful detail. And this is the center. This one is for this. And I made a card with these two. Here is the card that I made. I used this one for the center, and I had to cut right here on the edges because this one was a little bit long. So it looks like this, and I just glue right here in the center so you can see right here the details of the edges. And this one right here is this one. And then I put the greetings right here, and this is a stamp from Inlovearts, and I'm going to show you in a minute. And this one is a circle of 2 inches, so I pop that circle so it can look like dimensional. And then I put a bow right here with a pearl, and I love it. It's very delicate. This is another set of dies from Inlovearts, and as you can see right here, there are 5 pieces, and each one cuts different, and you can layer them to make a beautiful flower. And here are the pieces that I cut. For example, the first one, it just cuts around. Then this is the second one, and then you will see that the holes or the details are getting bigger. Here is another one, and this is the last one, see? And I'm going to start like layering like this, and as you can see right here, then this one right here. Now that it's glued, you can see better. See, it looks like this. And I'm going to add a rhinestone in the center, and now I'm going to add it on the top of this card that I made. See, and it will look like this. I also got this set of stamps, and I use this one that says happiness always right here. Then this one that says follow your heart is this one right here, and this is how it looks. And here are more of the stamps. It says you are too kind, see, small wonder, and this one that says you're never more than a thought away. And I made a sample for this one that says the more candles, the bigger the wish, and it's this one right here. For this card, I stamped right here, the more candles, the bigger the wish, in a cardstock, and then I back up with another gold poster board paper. And for the candles, I use paper straws. Can you see right here? Look, they are just paper straws. And then I color a piece of white cardstock with yellow, and then I cut all these flames for the candles. Then I just painted these lines with a black marker, and I glue them in the bottom so it can look more dimensional. And to flatten the straws is very easy. You just put the straw, the paper straw on the table, and you can use a bone folder and just smash like this, and it look like this. You can cut like 3 out of these, or in another color you can cut 2, so you can make one big and one small and then layer them. It has like 1 full layer and then like about 4 more on top, see? So if you want to make something like this, it's super easy. Okay, so that's my idea on how to use this stamp. Then another set of dies that I got is this one that has 3 sizes, and these are like banners. Can be like this or like this, and it has the holes like for a small mini album, or maybe to add to a journal or to make inserts, see? And here is my sample. So adorable. It's so adorable. I had this one, and I thought that I have to make a little mini album just to put a few pictures in there and give it to someone in my family. Look, this one is just ribbon that I just scrunch, and I put it together and made this bow. But you have to make it loose because the book rings have to be straight so you can flap the pages. Look, this one is the small one. It's so super cute. You can put any sticker or something. I just put lines up here in the second one, and then you can put pictures in the back. This tag holds right here a mat for more pictures, and then when you open, I put a mat for another picture. Then I had lots of loose embellishments like this tag, and I put it up here to write something, more mats for pictures, and then this one too. Then right here I cut this one, and I'm going to show you, folded. Okay, see, when you open, it's just one page that opens, And when you put this one, you are going to put the folded side under the line that you're going to cut. See, just a little bit. And then put some washi tape right here so it doesn't move. Okay, in these 3 parts, put washi tape, and then make sure that you left, and make sure that you have that 1/16 of an inch there. And when you are done cutting, you will have this page that opens like this. And let me show you how it opens right here. And look, it opens completely. And here I put 2 mats, then another tag that I had loose, more mats for pictures. And that's it. And at the back, I put this lace that you can see at the front. So beautiful. See, it's only at the back, so you don't need to use a lot of laces and stuff like that. See, and you can also make this mini album this way. See, so this is my sample for this set of dies, and it's so adorable. And the last one that I'm going to show you is this set of dies. And look, it's just 3 pieces, and I'm going to show you what you can make. So super cute. I glue them together so it can be more sturdy. And this is just scrapbooking paper. You can use cardstock and it's going to be more firm, but this one is good. See, and then right here I just put a bow and a little flower. You can put a tag. And now I'm going to show you how you put them together, because this is easy, but it's kind of tricky. Okay, I have the pieces that I cut, and these are scrapbooking paper, as I said, and it has all marked right here, for example the plate, and you are just going to do like this, see, by the score line. And after you are done with all the sides, can you see right here, it has 3 lines, right? You're going to put this one, the first one down, the second one too, see, these 2 to yourself, and this one to the back. So if you cannot do it, you just have to grab your bone folder and hold it and just fold it like this, see? So you have that shape, see? And now I will finish and I'll show you. Now, as you can see, all of these are raised, see, like a saucer, because you just folded this one up, see? Then for this part up here, we are going to fold all the sides right here. See, and now I'm going to fold all these parts up here. And once you are done folding, you are going to glue these 2. Okay, first you're going to glue this part right here. And then you're going to glue these little triangles. And after your cup is done, you're going to put glue here and you're going to push this one and close it. See? It's not hard at all. You just need to be patient, but the result is so super beautiful. And then you just close this one right here and make sure it's all aligned to the hexagon right here. Just keep it for maybe 5 seconds, and then you can turn and press in the back. Let it dry, and then you have the cup. And now we are going to put the handle right here, and it's this one. You just need to fold it like this, and then this part fold it to the back, and this one too. When you have it like this, you are going to put glue right here. And you're going to glue these two together. Now we're going to put the handle, and this is the tricky part. You're going to put this part up here first, okay, the top of the handle into the opening. Okay, here is the opening right here. Then you're going to pull the handle like this all the way until you have this part left. And now we are going to glue these two. You just add the glue here, and you are going to glue to one side and then put glue in the other side. And then glue to the other side. Push, press very well, and now you have your handle. See? Now you have the cup, and here you have the saucer. I prefer to glue them together, and you have it like this. See, more sturdy. And after that, then you just glue your embellishments on top. I hope you like all of my projects, and if you are interested in any dies that I share with you, you can go to Inlovearts. The links of each die is going to be in the description box, and let me know in the comments which of these projects you like the most. And if you like my content, as always, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.